So you've got a blocked drain, but you're worried that using a chemical product could be harmful. Keep watching for potential solutions. You can use a chemical drain opener, often made of sulfuric acid or sodium hydroxide, to unclog a fully clogged drain. Using a drain opener can sometimes cause questions or concerns. I'm Mark Beck and I've been working in the drain care industry for over 20 years. I like to provide solutions to a few common concerns. So one of the biggest concerns we get is the clog will form somewhere further down the pipe. And that can be true if you're using an emulsification product, which will actually kind of melt the grease and move it down line where it can reform somewhere else. To steer clear of that problem, you can use a product like a sulfuric acid, a sodium hydroxide product, or even a bacterial product. So another common concern we get is the local municipality will not let me use certain types of drain openers. Usually when it comes to drain opening products, you're okay. What they're worried about is using like an emulsifier that will actually send the grease further down the line and cause problems for them in their sewer system. So to get around that, use a non-emulsifier like a biological product, and always be sure you check with your local regulations just to make sure you're okay. The drain opener will cause damage to my pipes. Typically, the only time you're going to see damage from a drain opener is when you have old cast iron pipes. They start to corrode. And then when the reaction happens with the drain opener, it creates a lot of heat or a lot of pressure. And if you have weak pipes, it can actually blow through those pipes. You're fine with PVC pipes. It's just your old cast iron pipe you should be worried about. So here's a common safety concern we get all the time. The drain opener will actually burn my skin when I use it. If you're careful with the product, you'll be fine. You want to make sure you wear your proper PPE, which would be safety goggles, gloves, things like that. And make sure when you pour the product down the drain, you don't want to put your face over it or anything like that, where you can get some splashback. For more information on drain openers, maintainers, and more, visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in touch with a representative who will survey your facility free of charge. For State Industrial Products, I'm Mark Becca.